I don't mind, but I like everything.
Yes, I'm so much to do.
How about eating gado-gado? I like gado-gado.
And which juice do you want?
I don't like juice. Mineral water is better.
Gado-gado does go well with Yusimai.
Reservoir are true, my bee.
My suggestion is that we just drink soda water so that we are fresh on this soda water.
Yes, I like soda.
Don't I have suggestion?
I think if we drink soda, it will be fine.
It's good all for you. I'll just drink water because I don't like fizzy drink.
Also, when plain water like Tamara.
Robin, how about you?
I have water too.
You don't want fizzy drink, babe?
Yes, what's wrong, Ben?
I was sick yesterday because I drank it during the day.
Also, you don't want that to happen again.
Yes, Sam. Hehehehe.
Well, in front of our school, there is a restaurant that is famous for being delicious. And the menu we want is that.
Are you serious? Wildy, I just picked out that is famous restaurant in front of school. Okay, let's go right now.
Come on, hurry up. I'm really hungry.
Seriously? Are you really leaving now? No, that's next month.
Yes, we just don't know, right? We don't know that.
Relax, I'm kidding guys. Let's go right now! Let's go!